Have you ever wondered why your AC isn't cooling as it should, even when it's running non-stop? It might be the failure of the condenser fan motor in the outdoor unit. Welcome to PartsHnC. Let's dive into the cost of replacing your AC condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is vital for cooling your home by dissipating heat from the refrigerant in the outdoor unit, ensuring efficient operation. When it fails, you'll notice signs like slow or non-spinning fans, grinding or squealing noises, constant running, higher energy bills, or inadequate cooling. These issues can disrupt comfort, especially during scorching summer months. Replacement costs typically range from $225 to $1,350, influenced by motor type, horsepower, and system compatibility. The motor itself costs $75 to $600, depending on brand and efficiency. Labor charges vary from $150 to $750 based on local rates and installation complexity. Additional repairs, such as replacing a damaged capacitor at $10 to $100 or a compressor at $750 to $2,500, can significantly increase expenses. In extreme cases, a full AC replacement, including indoor and outdoor units, might cost $2,500 to $10,000. DIY replacement is risky, as improper handling could damage your HVAC system, leading to costly repairs. Hiring certified professionals ensures proper installation, prevents errors, and saves time. To avoid replacements, schedule annual maintenance with HVAC experts, keep the unit clear of debris, and replace air filters regularly. These steps reduce strain, enhance efficiency, and extend your system's lifespan. Regular cleaning also prevents mold buildup, ensuring a healthier indoor environment. Checking for worn bearings or electrical issues early can prevent major breakdowns. For high-quality HVAC parts, visit PartsHnC to keep your system in top shape. Subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more HVAC tips and updates. Thanks for watching.